This is the empty magazine from the fire position. You can see the follower all the way up into the neck of the magazine. Pop the tabs on the back, open the back, has a little hinge there, holds it in place. To make sure all the tension's relieved, just press the center button. If there's any tension on it, it'll pop. Not a big deal. Hold the button in right here. Rotate this whole assembly clockwise. Wind it all the way up. Go ahead and just hold right here, because what you want to do is fill this up right here, just these three, just like this. All right, then you want to put three, go ahead and load three into the neck. All the while holding down, putting pressure this way. All right, so I've got three in the neck, three here. We can go ahead and do it at this point if you'd like. Go ahead and put one turn on it. And what that'll do is just provide a little bit of pressure. Turn and a half or two is fine. That'll put a little bit of pressure on it so it holds everything in place. From this point, we're just gonna fill it up. Using a little movie magic, I'm gonna show you that in a very quick fashion. All right, now that you've filled it up all the way, the drum's full. At this point, what you want to do is just make sure everything's laid in there nice and flush. You don't have any kind of weird rim overlap or anything like that, which it shouldn't be. If you have to, look across the back, make sure everything's nice and flush. Make sure your lid snaps on easy, just like that. At this point, once the drum is loaded, you've got a couple of options. If you leave it with two turns on it, you can store it indefinitely. You won't have any issues, just like it is. Just remember the amount of turns you store it at, because you want to turn it for a total of 7 turns. I've put 1 turn on it already. We're going to go ahead and shoot it. We went through the trouble to load it. I'm going to give it 6 more turns.
It's too many. 6 is too many, isn't it?
That good? That's 6 total.
Okay. 6 total turns.
The manual I read yesterday said 7 turns.
7 turns, okay.
You want to try 6 or 7?
Yeah, that's fine.
All right, once you put a total of 7 turns on it, the drum's ready to use. If for whatever reason you find that you want to remove the tension, all you got to do is pop the tabs on the back, press that button, it'll relieve the tension. Then you can put your 2 winds back on it, because if you relieve all the tension, the rounds will fall out of the neck, there's nothing holding them in. So, let's warm it up.
Let's do that.
Go ahead, man.
Smoke's still coming out of that booger.
Oh yeah. Well, right. There's your basics on your 75 round drum.
Yep, 75 round drum finished up. Follower at the top, relieve the tension, push the button. That's it. Run it backwards until it stops. You're ready to load again. That simple. The only ones that are different are some of the com blocks that you load from the top, the Romanian jobs. They sit forward at an angle in the gun. They are out there, and we'll review one of those later.